Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can conduct a demonstration when you're using Zoom to teach your students when online. A day ago, I shared a video with the teachers on how they can use a real whiteboard when they are online when they are using Zoom. If you've not watched that video, just click on that link up there and you will be updated as far as using the Zoom to annotate a real whiteboard is concerned. Today, I just want to show you how you can carry out a demonstration using the same setup. Hello and welcome. My name is Kagwe Munro from ICT for Teachers, where teachers usually come for tips on how to use ICT to teach their favorite subjects. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so that you do not miss any of the new videos that I will be creating. So without further ado, let's go over to the second camera and I'll show you how you can carry out your demonstration. So as usual, I'll go to launching a new meeting over there, and this is what I get. Let me put away that notification. When I'm here, I'll go to sharing of the screen and advanced tab over here. Click on that and then I'll go share the second camera over here. Click on that and then share, and straight away I'm taken to this table over here where I've got a whiteboard, but instead of now writing on the whiteboard, I've got what I want to demonstrate to the student, what I want to show to the student. And the good thing is this whiteboard is horizontal, so it acts as a table. So I could use it to demonstrate anything for the students. For instance, over here, I've got items which are familiar to most teachers of biology. But remember, this is it can be used with any subject. For example, I can just be able to put that one away, and over here, I can carry out demonstrations using, I can connect an electric circuit over here. And remember, as I do this, I'm also communicating with the students via that small video icon at the top there. And just in case I want to emphasize a point, I'll just go to the screen. You see here, switch camera. I'll just click on that. And now this camera fills the whole screen. I've taken the student away from the demonstration because I wanted them to concentrate on one thing at a time. So you can make use of that to switch from one camera to the next. And if I want to go back to the demonstration, I'll just switch the camera and I'm back to my demonstration here. And if I feel this one is distracting them too much, I'll simply click on that arrow there and minimize, and the video just goes away. It's only the voice they will be able to hear. But it's always good if students can be able to see who is talking. That is why that small video there at the corner is always important. Now, more things of what you can do with your whiteboard. Here I've got my leaf. I'm a biology teacher, and I will be able to name the various parts. Maybe I can call that A, B, and this is C. And you can see it is quite interactive. Of course, when you are demonstrating anything, you must make sure that it is neat and it is only one item which can be seen. Don't have so many items. When you're demonstrating something, it must be simple, neat, and straightforward. Remember, when you are online, there are a lot of limitations. So there you have it. You can use your second camera, a whiteboard, where you can annotate, you can write your notes the way you always do on a normal whiteboard, and you can also demonstrate something on that table. Until next time, when I come up with another tip on how to use Zoom to reach your student, it is bye-bye for now, and remember to stay safe.